Before doing anything else, disconnect your phone from your car completely. Turn off both wired and wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. This step is extremely important. Any existing connection can interfere with the AutoLinkr Pro and cause setup issues. Now, plug the AutoLinkr Pro into your vehicle's CarPlay or Android Auto USB port. Use one of the included USB-C or USB-A cables. Once it powers on, the screen will automatically adjust to your vehicle. No extra setup needed here. When the device finishes booting, the very first thing you need to do is turn on your phone's mobile hotspot. Connect the AutoLinkr Pro to that hotspot. This is the most important step. Without Wi-Fi, apps won't download, updates won't install, and streaming apps won't load. Most setup issues come from skipping this part. Next, open the Google Play Store on the AutoLinkr Pro and sign in. Update all pre-installed apps. This helps improve performance and prevents bugs right from the start. Now turn on Bluetooth on your phone and pair it with the AutoLinkr Pro. Bluetooth is required for audio, phone calls, and for wireless CarPlay or Android Auto to work properly. Do not skip this step. Once Bluetooth is connected, launch wireless CarPlay if you're using an iPhone, or wireless Android Auto if you're on Android. After the first setup, it will automatically reconnect every time you start your car. If you're inside CarPlay or Android Auto and want to go back to the AutoLinkr Pro interface, just press the Uconnect button or the car icon. That instantly takes you back to the main home screen. To add entertainment apps, open the Play Store on the AutoLinkr Pro and download whatever you like: Prime Video, ESPN, games, and more. Just remember, Wi-Fi must stay on for downloads and streaming. All right, just some quick final reminders. Keep Wi-Fi connected for live streaming. Make sure your phone is disconnected from the car before setup. Bluetooth must be paired for CarPlay or Android Auto. And anytime you need to return to the AutoLinkr Pro home screen, tap the Uconnect button or car icon. Well, that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoy your AutoLinkr Pro as much as I enjoy mine.